Good morning, guys. We're making my iced coffee. I have my shots brewed and I have my cold foam in the Nespresso frother. Got my ice in here. I brewed 2 of the Sunny Almond Vanilla Pods, so this is a quad shot over ice. Don't come for me, this is what I like. Yes, I'm fine. I'm extra tired today. I guess I didn't set my alarm, so I woke up a little bit late. So we're trying to hurry up, make my coffee. So I'm gonna pour it over ice. If you don't know what a quad shot is, it's 4 shots of espresso. I'm fine. I'm gonna add a splash of almond milk. This is like a recreation of my favorite Starbucks drink, which I'm obsessed with. It's a quad shot over ice with a splash of almond milk, and I get the sugar cookie cold foam. Oh, at Starbucks, it's so good. I have my cold foam in here. This one's the non-dairy one. The one at Starbucks that I really like is dairy. Ooh, it smells so good. Chef's kiss. I'm so tired. I woke up like puffy too. You can see my eyes that I look really tired, but it's fine. Happy Friday. Cheers.